What's up guys, Rolly here with Tech, and today we are driving the 2023 Honda BRV. The BRV line has been one of Honda's top selling units for a couple of years already, and with the 2023 variant, not only does it receive a facelift and a much more economical engine, it does also pack a slew of brand new tech in it. So in this video, join me as we explore the brand new tech inside the Honda BRV. Let's start with the basics. The 2023 Honda BRV does support keyless entry and one push start button as well as remote start. Pretty useful for very tropical climate as you can have the interior of your BRV to cool down. Pretty neat. In addition, it comes equipped with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment panel with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which comes standard in all variants of the BRV. There's also 2 Type-A USBs, 6 speaker which sounds fairly balanced. There's also a preset available in the setting to fit the genre of your playlist. One of the things that I always look forward on a new vehicle is the driver assist features like ABS with EBD, Hill Start Assist, and Vehicle Stability Assist. And thankfully, these features are starting to become a standard on most vehicles. And yes, the before mentioned features come standard with the 2023 Honda BRV. But there's more. In addition to that, there's also ACC or Adaptive Cruise Control. For those of you who are not familiar with this feature, Adaptive Cruise Control is a tech that is designed to help drivers maintain a safe following distance and stay within the given speed limit. ACC automatically adjusts the speed of the vehicle you are in with accordance to the leading vehicle. You can also customize the speed you are in if there is no vehicle in front of you. Pretty nifty feature, especially for long travels. No more ngalay for long drives as you don't need to step on the gas pedal at all times as the Honda BRV will automatically maintain your set speed. There is also lane departure warning which notifies you when you are going out of your lane. Lane Keep Assist is also present here. When this feature is turned on, you will feel a gentle nudge on the steering wheel as it counter-steers to maintain the vehicle in the lane. This feature will be turned off automatically when you remove your hands on the steering wheel and when the road markings are not clearly visible. But once you set your course onto your new lane, Lane Keep Assist will automatically turn on. Also, the 2023 Honda BRV comes equipped with collision mitigation braking system, in which detects a potential front-end collision. It reduces the chances of impact by sending warnings to the driver to hit the brakes, though sometimes the BRV will do the brakings for you. Cool, but hey, you still have to always keep your eyes on the road. These features made possible by this camera sensor located at the mount of the rear view mirror. And keeping this area clean is a must to have the driver assist features such as LDA to work perfectly. So please do note that these features that I mentioned earlier does not work like Tesla's autopilot or any autopilot system on a vehicle. So please keep your hands on the steering wheel and eyes on the road at all times. Keep yourself safe even though these features are all turned on. Now moving on, the 2023 Honda BRV comes equipped with Honda Lane Watch feature. What it does is it uses the camera located below the passenger side mirror which is projected on the infotainment display. It is also helpful for when moving right lane or for when turning right. You can have it activated by pressing the button located on the single light lever, but it will be automatically activated when you flick the turning signal to the right. And on that note, we would like to address a couple of things that we would love to see improved on the next generation BRV. One of which is a higher resolution camera coupled with a 360-degree view around this vehicle, and of course, a digital speedometer. We think all of those features will be very helpful for drivers, but again, that's just us nitpicking. If you want to know more about this vehicle, our Tech Auto team will be doing a full review on the 2023 Honda BRV, so stay tuned for that. But for now, what do you guys think about this car? Do let us know in the comment section below, and if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon to not miss any future uploads, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, and visit www.yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Aurel, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.